Hello students of class 8th. Today through this video I will discuss with you lesson 1, behavioral traits in general knowledge. Actually this particular chapter is related with the behavior as well as with the traits. When we discuss about this particular term behavioral traits, then we find behavioral or behavior means manner and traits means habits. If we start to understand what is the behavioral traits, then there will be a question, what is behavior? Students, behavior is related with the mannerism and it is reflected by the habits or traits of individuals or groups. Students, this behavior is related with our mannerism, with our conduct, which we follow in our life, which we use in our language, which we use in our practices, not in our life, but with some other people. When we start to discuss about this particular behavior, our conduct, our practice, our exercise in our life, in our family members or with our family members or with others, it depends on our habits, it depends on our manner. If our manner or if our conduct is good, then it will be observed that we are or we all are well behaved person. Or if we use some wrong words or if we destroy the feelings of others or if we do some wrong deeds publicly, then it is not good for others and then it is not good behavior. That is why it is very essential that each and every person should follow the good behavior and manner in life. First of all, here you can see it is important to behave in an appropriate manner, especially in public, when we or when you are and when we are in public, we should follow those words or we should use those words and mannerism which should like by others. Especially suppose that if we start to play loud music, if we dirt in public place, it is not good behavior. These all conduct can destroy the freedom of others and then it will leave a bad impact on the mind of others about the person, those who are doing these wrong deeds publicly. That is why our habit or our traits, our conduct, make us a good person as well as a bad person. And these all things depends on our behavior. Students, here I want to tell you something, that modesty, humbleness, kindness and courtesy are the essential traits of a well behaving person. If we all are modest, humble to others, if we show our kindness and courtesy to others, then we all will observe as a well behaved person. A well behaved person, you may see, always take care of the feelings and sentiments of others. Students, a well behaved person never feels proud or arrogant, and he or she always take care of the feelings and sentiments of the others. While joining to others, while talking to others, he or she always take care that through their words no one should get wrong notion or wrong sentiments. That is why if we want to be a well behaved person, we should always respect the sentiments and feelings of the others. It is the best quality of a well behaved person. After then, you may see good behavior provides respect. Students, if we give respect, then we take respect. यदि हम किसी को सम्मान देते हैं तो हम सम्मान पाते भी हैं. And only those person can give respect, those who are well behaved person, those who have good mannerism. And if we give respect to other, then we take respect from others, and it is a very good quality of a behaved person. After then, you may also see good manners open opportunity for success. Students, no doubt, success always come with lots of hard work, but this lots of hard work also need a good personality, and this personality will be formed only through some good manner, good traits and habits, and good behavior. If our behavior is good for others, then we can seek or we can search the opportunities from the others, and it will open the way for success for us. Students, good manners are like a tonic to the people living in society. It means good behavior, mannerism, all will always give you respect in society. And also very well, people with polite and pleasant nature are always popular and respectable by a large number of people. You have various examples of various people, not only in India but all over the world. Those who are, recognized or identified through their good idea and through their good behavior and mannerism. That is why it is very essential that from the beginning or from our childhood, we should always get good behavior from our parents, from our surroundings, from our teachers, and so that it will make our personality good and fit. With this personality, with this good behavior, we can adjust ourselves in any surroundings, and it will open the path of success also. That is why we must practice and follow good behavioral traits or habits in our life always. My dear students, I have explained this chapter through these points. I have given some views about good behavior, and I have also told you, if we are not accepting good behavior or adopting good behavior in our life, it will give bad result in our life. So according to this explanation, today or in this video, I will ask two questions. Question number 1, what do you mean by behavior? I have written the definition of behavior in these 3 lines. And the second question I will ask, write a short note on the importance of good behavior. I have told you various points. I have written these all points regarding the good behavior, which you have to write or mention in this particular answer. Students, through this video, I want to tell you that I will send you an exercise also, and in this exercise you will find some questions, near about 8 to 10 questions in true or false statements. You have to do this exercise. You have to write this exercise. You have to read these statements of true or false, and you have to do this. I hope you understood this video related to behavioral traits. Thank you very much.